How to play CS2 and Faceit. The first things first is you must have a Faceit account. Just open up your preferred web browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome and then just head directly to faceit.com. And once you're here, you will be redirected on the very home page of Faceit for you to sign in or create an account. Once you have successfully created an account, this is going to be your interface or your dashboard on Faceit. Now to play CS2, what you want to do is just to go on the left portion of your page and then go to the play option. Now in here, just simply click these three dots and then just simply choose on CS2. For you to play the game, you just have to connect your CS2 account first or via this team so that you can go ahead and start a match, invite your friends, adjust the game modes, choose any maps you want, adjust the time, and that's how you play CS2 and Faceit.